Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Hera. If you're new here, I'm Hera. I'm a 25-year-old budgeter living in Nevada and I work 2 jobs. And this is my budgeting journey, and today we're doing some Friday fun stuffing. If you've been here before or you're a subscriber, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it a lot and it means a lot to me. Today we're doing Friday fun stuffing, like I said. So fun stuffing is what I call my games. I don't know what these are for yet. I'll decide once I finish the game because I don't know how much I'm going to save. So today we are going to do at the mall and possibly Happy Meal, but we'll see. We'll probably start with at the mall. So we have $40. Let me count the money. That's 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40, and one rollover from last week. So before we start, let me condense some of this. So let me actually move this a bit here. So we're going to use this for the game later. Let me do some condensing real quick. So let's see if we have any. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 20. Yes. So this should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 41. All right. Now I'm gonna shuffle these. All right. So this is their order when we roll them in the dice, and I'll explain in a bit. So there is an actual board for at the mall, but I don't think I have enough to actually really play the board because it's like you go through all 6 stores. So I'm just going to basically roll a die to see how many stores we're visiting today and move on from there. So we'll do at the mall here. And we have this right here. So whatever is unpaid goes here and paid for item goes here. So first let's decide how many stores. And I'm going to need a 4-sided die for that. There's something in my eye and it's bothering me. All right. 2. So we are going to pick 2 stores today, and dice will decide how many or which stores. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 I choose. First store is going to be the electronics store. So I'm going to put that there for now. And then the third store is going to be the restaurant. Or the second store is going to be the restaurant. All right. Ooh. Let me shuffle these. I feel like I'm bad at shuffling, but I honestly don't remember what's happening. Oh, I should have taken that up from the electronics. I'll probably shuffle all of them later. Oh no. All right, so first let's have the 4-sided die decide how many items we're getting from the electronics store. So that's 3 items, so it's going to be 1, 2, and 3. We're going to reveal everything at once. And then from the restaurant, we're going to get 1 item. Squeeze 1. All right, so Let's return these. So from the electronics store, we got a phone, a printer, and a laptop, and that is $4 in total. So that's going to be, oh wait, okay, this is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm a little unorganized. Yeah, I'll do it at the end because I think we can keep playing. So electronics store, we have 2, 3, 4. So let me get those 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just put that here. Ooh. And so we have these items. We're gonna get put on to the side. I'll just put it here. And then from the restaurant, we got a salad, which is $3. 1, 2, and 3. So we'll put that over here. All right, we can do another one. So another die. Okay, we're choosing 3 stores, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, the restaurant again. Another restaurant. No, we're gonna roll again. Oh, the electronics store again. Okay, 6 I choose, so we're gonna choose the bookstore. Why? Because I said so. And I won't shuffle that because I don't remember what's in there. So let's start with the restaurant. We're choosing 4 items. 1. We're good to go there. Next is the electronics store, which is going to be 3 items. 3. And then last but not the least is the bookstore, where we're choosing 1 item. All right, now let's go ahead and flip this over. So electronics store, we have a webcam for 2, camera for 2, digital watch for 2, for a total of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have our restaurant. We got $3 for wine, a taco for $1, fries for $1, and chicken wings for $3. So that's 3, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, yeah, I think we're done without them all after this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have last but not the least, bookstore for crossword puzzle for 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so let's go ahead and take this away. And now we're going to fill in each part. So clothing store we did not do. So let me sort everything here. So we have the bookstore, and this is our only one. So let's start with that. So the bookstore, let's get our receipt. Today we got $1, $2, $3. So I'm gonna put this away so we don't choose that in a while. It's just gonna be 3. We'll put this back. All right, and then we have the restaurant, which we did put quite a bit. I think we went there twice today. Yes. All right, so we got, I think, 5 things from here. So in total, we saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 today. You were hungry, I guess. It's making me hungry. So we have that. We'll put that at the back. So we're good with restaurant. All right. Next is going to be our electronics store. All right. So this one we went twice and we got like 6 items. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 today. Ooh, it's a good chunk. All right, I'm gonna do 10. Okay, so I do want to play another game. Or do we want to keep going with at the mall? No, I kind of want to do the fridge game. So we're going to do the fridge game or Happy Meal. I don't know if we'll be able to finish it though. Or I don't think we'll finish the day because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, no, we're only doing the fridge. So we'll do the fridge. Let me put this away. Okay. So we'll work on the fridge game. This will need some condensing. Let's grab this. All right. So if you didn't watch my first video, you should. So at the fridge is also from PropBudgets, and you get a die and it'll choose which section of the fridge you're going to go to. You go to that section, for example, this freezer, and then you roll the die to decide which one. If it's already been chosen, you just choose which one you want. If it's this square scratch off, it's triple. Cook, it's only in the freezer, I believe, is +1, and then circle is double whatever the amount is. So let's go ahead and start and roll the 6-sided die. 4, and that's the fruit crisper. All right, it's our fruit crisper, and we're going to roll the die. 1. So we are just getting strawberries for $2. So once we choose a section, we don't choose it again. We take it out until maybe we go through all of them. So let me put that away. This game's treating me pretty well today because last time it started with like a triple. All right, 5 is going to be the vegetable crisper, which is right here. And we choose a roll. We obviously roll. And that's a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $8. Okay, that's a very large number. We should have enough. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I think we can risk one more turn. Oh, other way. All right, let's roll. 4. We already did that. 1. Freezer. Dangerous. 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 All right. 6. We already chose before, so we're going to choose this time. And I am choosing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm choosing taquitos, which is going to be $3. Because of the +1. That scared me a bit, not gonna lie. All right. 1. Freezer, we already chose. 4, we already chose. If this rolls another one, I'm just gonna choose. Okay. I will choose, which one haven't we done? The main section. And, ooh, this, I gotta be careful with this. I do not want an IOU. Okay, we'll roll and risk it. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $3. Whew. So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, no, that makes me happy. We are gonna stop there. It's $3 in the main. Oh, yeah, main section. Whew. All right, so let me put this away. Okay, now we're gonna count how many in total we saved. So we saved $2 from the fruit crisper. We got strawberries. Then we got celery for $8 from the veggies. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we got from the freezer taquitos and cooked it for $3. That's 1, 2, 3. And then we have from the main section pizza for $3. So 1, 2, 3. So in total we saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Which is great. I will be condensing this because that is a lot of dollars. So now I think the only section we haven't touched is going to be... No, we've touched all of them, which is great. All right, let me put this back. And then we have another $1 rollover for next week. All right, and that's it. So next week we're probably going to be doing Happy Meal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun. I had a lot of fun. A little stressed, but I had a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.